You're a leader. Whether you're working with people one-on-one, in a group, on a retreat, you're in the business of helping people transform their lives. And I'm wondering if you've had this experience. You can be working with someone, coaching them, leading them, and then suddenly, even though when you're together, they totally get it, the minute they leave, it's like your advice never happened. Well, that's because life is busy. When we get back to our old routines, we kind of step into our old selves. And that's why I am so thrilled to launch the Wish Leader program. I'm Alexa Fischer. I am the creator of Wishbeads intention setting jewelry. I'm also a teacher myself. I have taught confidence, communication courses, goal setting courses for over 250,000 individuals around the world. And now I'm excited to bring my teaching and my jewelry together and put them in the hands of leaders so that you can integrate the work that you do and have your clients and retreat goers and all of that wear their wishes, dreams, and goals visible so that they can carry them with them, so that your teaching stays top of mind, so that your teaching stays alive with them when they come home from that beautiful retreat. So in addition to having some amazing discounts for individuals who are ordering, I also have so many resources for you to take what I've created, including guided visualizations, guides for people to select the perfect stones, ways to integrate them into your work and make them accessible to you so that you have everything you need. A beautiful product that can be a gift, that can be a tool, as well as all the resources that you need to integrate them into your own teaching. So I am delighted to welcome you to the world of Wishbeads, and I invite you to be a wish leader today.